see him?
Yep.
We can stop. There's a ditch right there.
That's a fancy.
Pee in the
Fanciest
culvert.
house I've seen yet.
Get a helmet cam.
Yeah. GoPro.
My son got one of those. We took it sledding.
That's what I want. I think it'd be fun out sledding.
Cody has, well, Curtis has the GoPro, and Cody has the goggles with the camera in them.
Oh, really?
And the pictures are cool. I mean, they come out so sharp
Huh.
for that little bit of a camera like this.
Yeah.
I mean, on our flat screen TV, it's like, it's a good picture.
Oh, I can't wait to meet a semi truck. It's gonna be a good YouTube video.
It's ran over some kind of fruit.
What's that?
I ran over some kind of fruit.
Like the power line is like that.
Yeah. Well, that's what Sherry was saying. I wonder why they got power outages all the time.
Oh, this would have been the perfect corner to meet a semi on.
Yeah. It's because it's a holiday.
Oh, that's right. Everybody's gonna get sick watching this thing.
Must be a park or something.
What was
There's
that?
a steel plate over a
Oh.
hole.
Some dude without his shirt on carrying his baby around. Oh, you bring me banana. Mark, you have been replaced. It's Brian now.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, right on.
I'm on the bridge first.
Oh, he doesn't care.
Whoa. I don't know if I got a good video because I got scared.
Still got my mirror.
I don't know where your bag ended up at. There it slid somewhere. Oh, it went clean over there. My purse is up in front seat too.
Oh, there's no doors on that rig.
So awesome.
I'm glad we weren't like all the way on the bridge. We would have been
I thought we were getting a guardrail.
We went and had this whole side of the
Oh, there's a nice bike.
I think that was a bar.
Oh, it was a biker bar. Civilization again.
You see, like I parked on the side. I would not park on the side of the road. Hearing birds.
Probably.
Huh? But the windows aren't open, are they?
Maybe there's one in the back seat.
Are you hearing it? Okay.
Okay.